So this is where the Nomad pool is, and now we are going to the MGM Park main pool. Yeah, they have something for somebody to sit here while waiting. And then let's go here. All right, let's hit one. All right. Oh, that's a fast elevator. I got my room key on my pocket just in case they have to check. Oh, so this is the pool already? Okay. So from the Nomad pool, you know, cabana reservations, towels. So, hello. So that is the cabana reservations, towels. This is the entrance to the pool. So from the Nomad pool, it's a vibe. Park MGM. So they have the East Pool Bar, North Pool Bar, Veranda Bar, and restrooms. So, honey, I'll go around. So this is the, okay, so there's a poolside bar in there. Okay. And then this is the pool. All right. And it looks like these are all free. The restrooms, they have arrows for the restrooms. Okay, so that is the pool exit. So we have the veranda bar. So this is the North Pool, and so we're going. Okay, so we're going to the East Pool and bar. So this is the East Pool and bar. All right. And let's look at right here. Okay, so there it is. East Pool Bar. All right, and then they have a bar too in the middle right there. All right. So we go here. And this is the veranda bar this way. And then this is the North Pool right here. North Pool. All right. Okay, so this is the North Pool right here. Okay. And the one with that canopy, that is the tram, the free tram to Bellagio, Cosmopolitan, and MGM Park. All right, so this is the veranda right here. This is the veranda bar right here. Veranda bar. Okay, so I have to look for the Wi-Fi. So, and then there's another entrance here to this pool. So looks like it has a lot of shade. It has a lot of shade in this pool area. So we have a lot of shade. All right. So this is the MGM Park pool, which is a much bigger pool than the Nomad pool. Okay, and they have. Okay, so they have. So these are also reserved, right? They look like. Oh, okay, but they are not reserved, right? These are not reserved. Oh, okay, let me see. Let's just see what's going on here. Oh, scan to order. Okay, so it has something here if you want to order. All right. So you can still sit here. You can still sit here, or you could also set up in here. All right, and it looks like this bar is not open today, so it is closed, or unless it is late already. So yeah. And maybe this is a function room if there are events. right here. So, wow, this is a nice part of the pool wherein it is shady and you could just like relax. And if you want to read, yep, this is a nice place of the pool. All right, so I'll be here. So, and just sitting here, and then you could see the pool. So this is MGM, the MGM Park pool, the main pool. So it has one, two, three pools, and it should have spas all around it, and three bars. So if you like watching this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're getting value with the information and entertainment that you're getting while you're watching my videos. Watch the video next, and I'll see you on the next video, and thank you for watching.